everyone. Today we're going to be making peanut butter cream cheese pie. What all goes into peanut butter cream cheese pie? 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 1 8-ounce package cream cheese softened, 1½ cups powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 12-ounce whipped cream thawed, 1 cup coarsely chopped peanut butter cups divided, and I have the ones with the pretzels in them, and 1 9-inch chocolate pie crust. So today we have a special guest chef. This is my grandson Blake, and he's going to be doing the pie. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take a big bowl, and then we're going to take the cream cheese and the peanut butter and beat them until smooth. And then he's going to get the mixer, turn it on low. Alright, so next we're going to take the 2 teaspoons of vanilla and dump that in there. And the 1½ cups of the powdered sugar. And mix that until smooth. And next we want to fold in the whipped cream, which is 12 ounces. We have 4 ounces, so we'll be using 1 full one and half of a second one. And then he's going to mix it in thoroughly. Alright, so next we will add the cut up peanut butter cup pieces. And we'll gently fold those in. So next, he has everything all mixed up. Next, he will put it into the chocolate pie crust. And now he'll just smooth it all out. After smoothing it out, he will be adding more of the cut up peanut butter cups to garnish it. All right, so we will put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 8 hours. So we'll see you then. Here is the peanut butter cream cheese pie, and I'll let my grandson Blake do the taste test.
Tastes like Reese's. It has a very liquidy substance, which tastes nice because it's very soft. And no, tastes like Reese's. Very good. Get it off.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.